The job description of operations specialist revolves around ensuring the seamless execution of business activities across various departments of an organization. These professionals are integral to operational efficiency, serving as the bridge between planning and implementation. Whether working in logistics, finance, manufacturing, or customer service, operations specialists bring structure, monitoring, and strategic insights into day-to-day processes, ensuring that company goals are met with accuracy and timeliness. Operations specialists are found in nearly every sector, including technology firms, supply chain companies, healthcare organizations, and government agencies. Their primary task is to coordinate and optimize workflow across teams, analyze performance data, troubleshoot bottlenecks, and uphold standards that lead to increased productivity and reduced operational risk. They are problem solvers who thrive on continuous improvement, helping organizations deliver quality services or products at scale. These professionals often work behind the scenes but are essential to organizational success. Their contribution is seen in the smooth delivery of customer orders, well-executed projects, consistent vendor management, and efficient internal systems. With the right mix of analytical and interpersonal skills, operations specialists serve as vital cogs in the operational machinery of any business. Core responsibilities and daily functions. A central aspect of the operations specialist role is workflow coordination. This includes managing schedules, tracking deliverables, and ensuring that cross-functional teams collaborate effectively. For example, in a logistics company, an operations specialist might monitor shipment tracking systems, communicate with carriers, and resolve delivery delays. In a finance department, the specialist may oversee expense reporting systems or ensure timely approvals of budget allocations. Another major part of the job involves data analysis. Operations specialists are responsible for collecting, analyzing, and interpreting performance metrics that reveal how well the business is functioning. Using tools like Excel, enterprise resource planning, ERP, systems, or analytics dashboards, they identify inefficiencies, track KPIs, and prepare reports for senior management. Their insights often guide strategic decisions, from resource allocation to process redesign. In many cases, operations specialists serve as quality control agents, ensuring that company policies and compliance standards are being followed. They may audit processes, review documentation, or implement corrective actions when deviations occur. This includes ensuring that suppliers meet contract terms, employees follow procedures, or IT systems perform as expected. Support in project management is another frequent task. Operations specialists assist with planning new initiatives, managing timelines, allocating tasks, and ensuring deliverables are achieved. Their strong organizational skills and attention to detail make them valuable contributors to team success. Additionally, they often function as liaisons between departments such as sales, customer service, finance, and human resources. Their role ensures that communication flows smoothly across the company, reducing errors and avoiding duplication of effort. This collaborative function enables better decision-making and ensures that everyone remains aligned with operational goals. Key skills and attributes for the role. To perform effectively, operations specialists need a strong combination of analytical, organizational, and interpersonal skills. At the top of the list is attention to detail. Since much of the work involves monitoring and refining processes, overlooking small discrepancies can lead to major inefficiencies or losses. Meticulousness in data handling and report generation is essential. Problem solving is another core skill. Operations specialists constantly face challenges such as system outages, delivery delays, supply shortages, or miscommunications between departments. They must act quickly, assess the situation, and implement solutions that minimize disruption while addressing root causes. Strong communication abilities are vital. Whether it's drafting operational reports, presenting findings to leadership, or coordinating with vendors, clear and effective communication is central to success in the role. Operations specialists must be able to explain complex information in simple terms and actively listen to team concerns and feedback. Time management and multitasking are also crucial, as these professionals often juggle multiple assignments at once. The ability to prioritize tasks, meet deadlines, and manage competing demands is essential in fast-paced environments. Technical proficiency is often required, particularly in using ERP systems, CRM software, database tools, and project management applications like Asana, Jira, or Trello. Many operations specialists also rely on business intelligence platforms such as Power BI or Tableau to track and visualize performance data. Typical work environment and tools used. Operations specialists usually work in office environments, although some may also operate in warehouses, production facilities, or field locations depending on the industry. In hybrid or remote roles, they rely heavily on digital tools to monitor operations, communicate with teams, and access enterprise systems. The tools used by operations specialists vary widely by sector but generally include spreadsheet software, inventory or order management systems, workflow tracking tools, and performance dashboards. In manufacturing, they might use scheduling and capacity planning applications. In logistics, they depend on route optimization and freight tracking platforms. In service industries, they might use CRM and service ticketing software. Work hours are typically standard business hours, though some roles may require availability on evenings or weekends, especially when supporting global operations or mission-critical systems. Travel may occasionally be required for site visits, vendor meetings, or training programs. Educational and professional requirements. Most operations specialist roles require at least a bachelor's degree in business administration, operations management, logistics, supply chain, or a related field. However, some roles accept candidates with significant practical experience, especially in technical environments. Courses in data analytics, systems management, and process improvement are particularly relevant. Professional certifications, while not always mandatory, can significantly enhance a candidate's profile. Commonly pursued credentials include Six Sigma, Lean Operations, Certified Supply Chain Professional, CSCP, and Project Management Professional, PMP. These certifications demonstrate a commitment to excellence and provide the methodologies needed for effective operations oversight. Hands-on experience with process documentation, business reporting, and system implementation is highly valued. Many employers look for candidates who have previously worked in analyst roles, project support, customer service coordination, or administrative positions related to operations. Growth opportunities and career path. The job description of operations specialist positions them well for upward mobility within an organization. With consistent performance, professionals in this role can advance to positions such as operations manager, project manager, logistics coordinator, or process improvement analyst. In larger companies, they may move into specialized areas like procurement, inventory control, or compliance monitoring. As operations specialists gain more strategic responsibilities, they may also be involved in cost analysis, vendor negotiations, and leadership roles in change management. These advanced responsibilities open pathways to director-level roles in operations, planning, or business development. The versatility of the operations specialist role makes it a valuable stepping stone. Many professionals leverage their cross-functional knowledge to transition into consulting, supply chain design, or enterprise systems implementation. Challenges faced in the role. Despite its importance, the role of an operations specialist comes with its own challenges. One of the most significant is managing ambiguity. Operational issues don't always have clear solutions, and specialists often operate with limited information and high expectations. The need to make decisions quickly without full visibility requires confidence and sound judgment. Another challenge is stakeholder alignment. Because operations specialists often mediate between different departments, aligning everyone's priorities and expectations can be complex. This can lead to tension, requiring diplomacy, tact, and negotiation skills. Change management is also demanding. Implementing new procedures or software can meet resistance from employees. Operations specialists must balance enforcing change with supporting the teams affected by it. This includes offering training, troubleshooting technical issues, and collecting user feedback. Finally, balancing reactive and proactive work is tough. Operations specialists must not only respond to immediate issues but also develop long-term strategies for improvement. Staying ahead of the curve requires continuous learning and a forward-thinking mindset. Conclusion. The job description of operations specialist captures the essence of a role that is integral to the functioning of any organization. These professionals act as coordinators, analysts, and troubleshooters who ensure that internal processes operate with consistency and purpose. Their ability to blend technical skills with communication and critical thinking makes them indispensable assets in today's fast-moving business world. From overseeing order fulfillment to refining internal workflows, operations specialists bring value by optimizing performance and driving productivity. Their insights often shape strategic initiatives, improve customer satisfaction, and reduce operational risk. In an era where efficiency and responsiveness are paramount, operations specialists stand at the center of organizational agility. For individuals who enjoy structure, thrive on solving problems, and take satisfaction in making systems work better, a career as an operations specialist offers long-term opportunities and the chance to make a measurable difference.